Okay, the problem is target sum. So the branching strategy here, I can have like plus and minus in front of the num, and let me start drawing. So here, let's assume I have this following, as they say, nums. They have 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, let me call it. Let's assume we have something like this. So I have initially target plus and minuses, and I should evaluate to the. So I have like nums array that just 5 ones. I have target equals 3. So what we have about, so the bounds are pretty relaxed. So what I can do here, I can have a pointer I, and initially let's say I have I equals like 1. Okay, so initially I can have like two options, +1, -1. And then for the each of the subsequent I can have +1, -1, +1, +1. Let's say here I'm gonna have +1, +1. Say +1, +1. Here I'm gonna have +1, -1. And here I'm gonna have -1, +1. Here I'm gonna have -1, -1. So every time so like I will go iteratively, I'll have the pointer I going from left to right, and then I'll branch on every number with plus and minus sign, and then how to do this more efficiently? Like this one is, so given that I have a target, I can do the following. I can skip the, if I gonna +1, if I sort this, let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4 array. If I sort it, and then I'll have the I going from left to right, and let's say I have target, let's say t equals, let's say 7. Should I explore the path minus, let's say I have like 7 or say whatever target I have, like t1, and let's say current value I have, let's say equals 3, like -1, so I get +1, -2, that's gonna be -1, and let's say target is outlandishly high. Yeah, maybe I should sort it otherwise. I should sort it from lower to higher, from higher to lower. So let's assume I have like -7, and let's say target is like plus, 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 plus. So like 7 plus 9, 10. So let's say I have target 10, and I have current value -7. And the, oh, I have also to have this remainder to maintain the cumulative sum. If the remainder cumulative sum is like less than delta between target and the current value, then it's gonna mean that I need to skip it, because I will never get there, like with either combinations. I will never get the value equals target. So I'm gonna have this, let's say, arrays sort nums integer compare, say array sort, and I'm gonna go from right to left for int I equals 0, I less than nums. Okay, let's say we have int n equals length equals nums length less than n I plus plus, and then I'm gonna have cumulative sum total, let's say total 0 total plus equal nums I, and then I'm gonna go from the left to from right to left. Let's say private int bt int nums nums, and then int t target, and then int car sum, and then int I as a current pointer, and then I'm gonna go, and then gonna keep the total sum and remainder. So int remainder, and then I'm gonna go for bt. I'm gonna return bt, then n minus 1 0 remainder total nums and target, and then bt if mass abs t minus target minus car sum greater than remainder, then I'm gonna get the return 0. Else I will do the bt. I'll do this bt I plus 1 I minus 1. Okay, if I is equal minus 1, if return t equal current car sum, actually if I is equal minus 1, I should just return 1. Then bt I minus 1 car sum, let's say return bt I minus 1 plus bt I minus 1 car sum. So car sum plus nums e, and here car sum minus nums e, and then remainder minus nums e, and here also remainder minus nums e, and then target nums and t, and here also nums and t. No. Okay. Return 1. I made a mistake. Target if nums e I'm not sure where that is. Total sum, car sum, remainder. Let's assume if return car sum equals target 1, 0. I thought that this condition should cover this ones or zeros. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let me check this one to understand it better. I guess if I'm gonna follow the path for the BT, so I need to figure out like if let's say I had a -1 + 1 Uh, so it means that the target that I'm looking for, so subset of this problem, is again 3. But if I can have like plus one, the target for the problem for the remainder numbers I'm looking is um, actually 1. So let's assume I have these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. Let's say we have plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So it's gonna be minus 1 plus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and then plus 1. Target, let's say target we have t equals minus 1. If the target is equal minus 1, means that so let's assume target is equal minus 1 here. So let's assume I'm moving I and I need to like to find. So DP, let's assume I have DP array, and DP array says how many, let's say I have like target here, 0, 1, whatever, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here on the X, okay, that's not good. So let's assume I have it like this once, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 5 ones, and the target is equal, let's say, 3. So if I have, let's say, one, the last one, or let's say, assume we have like 1 here, and we have like possible +1, -1. So number of combinations that meets target equals 3 here. Um, if we have 1, so there are gonna be dp, or like as switch it back. So target is equals 3, target is equals 3. So let's say we have processed all the array, and we need to process the remain like all the array but the last one, and like dp, it means number of combinations of combinations that have, let's say, E here was 0, E here was 1, E here was 2, E here was 3, E here was 4. So definitions of expressions with, let's say, um, with length I plus 1, or like, or and with I, that have target. So we need to somehow subtract the target. So like, so there are possible two ways. I can like plus 1, or I can do minus 1. If plus 1, so if I do plus 1, I need to be sure that the previous part had like whatever target t minus 1. Oh, like if here like it's gonna be plus 1 something plus 1 gonna be equal 3, so the one is here was gonna be dp target equals 2, and then I equals 3. And if this one is number of combinations, if this one is like positive number of combinations, then this one should also be positive. So I need to just to what to carry over it. Yeah. So it should be like just dp t equals 2, I equals 3. And this one, if we're gonna have target minus 1, or like something x minus 1 equals t, and t here is equals 3, so this one gonna be dp target equals minus equals 4, and I equals 3. So dp let's say I equals 4, and then t equals 4, oh 3, equals actually dp target equals 2, e equals 3, plus dp target equals 4, A equals 3. Yeah, something like this. And this target's deltas should be defined as like whatever like value we have at nums e. E. Okay, I'm gonna stop right now. We'll probably will record follow-up.